Yeah, lowering a Toyota, it's still got a box on it. No rust.
It's got a solid frame and a box. So what are we doing to it today?
2-3 drop from Belltech.
Today on Adrenaline Garage, we're going to be putting the lowering kit. It's a 1985 Toyota pickup. They didn't really have a name for them. Some people call it a Helix. We should just call it a... I think it was the 1-ton actually, because it has the bigger axles. What we're doing today is Belltech has a kit. They come with shocks. And then for the rear, the shocks are for all four, obviously. On the rear, all we got is some drop blocks, pretty big ones, if I may add. Comes with a fresh set of U-bolts. And then on the front, I guess all that they really require are these drop spindles. Belltech comes with all this stuff in the kit, ready to go. So it's as easy as following the instructions. I have the instructions over there. This kit actually works from, what did it say on here? 1984 all the way up to 2000 Toyota pickups. 2000 Toyota pickups. So that is quite a broad range of trucks that this will fit. So it's a nice common kit. That is one badass drill. Let me just mini truck life. Just lifting it right now. Yeah. Right, so starting on the front here, getting it all apart. Got the brakes off. Hanging up by a wire. Don't want to let those calipers hang off the hose. Not a good idea.
Look at these spindles.
I know.
Like, right? I mean, for the price of the kit and the quality of the parts. Yeah. Belltech all the way.
Yeah, they're beauty. They're a one-piece design too, which is different from this here. Two-piece design.
Look at that.
Now there's your difference. Right there. Jump. Tighten that down, tighten it down on the bottom. Make sure your sticker's always facing out. Gotta show it off, right? And that's that. Once we bolt it up. Once it's bolted up. Alright, tires on. 85 Toyota pickup with the Belltech lowering kit. Let's see what she looks like. Drop her down. Ooh. Yeah. See, now that's how it should look.
Yeah.
There it is.